Working with the sand tray is a way of bringing the unconscious into the consciousness in concrete form. The client chooses from a selection of objects intuitively and places them in the sand. The sand tray is a box of sand painted traditionally with blue base and sides so that all the elements, earth, sky, water, are represented. In this mini world, thoughts, feelings, situations, dilemmas and relationships, internal and external dynamics can be represented and explored, changed and transformed. I love working in this way. Unexpected insights emerge. Often the meaning is only later fully revealed. The client works intuitively, doesn't have to know, nor do you as the therapist. Your role is to watch and attend. Your strength is the ability to be with the unknown and avoid interpretation, to attune, track and work in the metaphor, to be curious. You're holding space for mystery. Objects can be buried or unearthed. Resources can be found and brought in. In this workshop, you'll experience for yourself the power of working with the sand tray, both as a client and a therapist. You'll be given guidance about ways of setting up the work, choosing and scaffolding questions to support the emerging realizations and transformations in the client. I look forward to sharing this work with you if you choose to attend.